Backing Ford's storied 292 V8 with a smooth Ford-O-Matic 3-speed, this 55 Thunderbird is a solid cruiser that's benefited from careful restoration. And if you're looking for an awesome classic that's fun, attractive, and ready to roll, you simply won't find a cooler car for the money. Originally owned by a Ford Motor Company vice president, this first-year Thunderbird was displayed at many early Thunderbird showings throughout Canada and the United States. After roughly 2 years on the road, the car was shipped back to Dearborn where it was completely disassembled and factory restored. Fast forward a few decades when it ended up in the hands of an enthusiastic Ford collector who eventually, over the course of 2 years, conducted a second frame-off restoration. The Thunderbird is legendary for its characteristically upscale feel. And when this Roadster's goldenrod yellow pigment is combined with a correct black and yellow interior, it creates an exciting yet classy driving environment. Classy gauges, cool climate control, and modern direct-fit audio look great plotted among engine-turned bezels. A chrome shifter feels both firm and precise. And a glossy steering wheel connects the driver to the road. Tilt the hood and you'll find 292 cubic inches of dressed Thunderbird power that's been thoughtfully upgraded with a 12-volt electrical system. Behind that mill, a correct Ford-O-Matic 3-speed spins power to a sturdy 10-bolt axle. A highly desirable drop top that wraps well-maintained restoration around a storied V8 and a smooth 3-speed transmission, this slick T-Bird offers a little something for everyone. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.